People from all over the world are being paid every 60 seconds just by using this free app that works for smartphone devices. It works on all gadgets. We have never talked about this. All you need to do is answer questions, get paid through PayPal, and that's it. You can then do nothing and still earn your money. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The app that we're going to be using today is called enrollapp.com. I'm using the desktop version because it's much simpler, but you can use your smartphone device. I think it works even better with your phone than it does on the website. Don't go straight to the app and try to figure it out on your own. During this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks that will allow you to make even more money. And it will allow you to do this a lot easier and a lot faster, so you don't want to miss that. Now, they claim on the official homepage the goal of this app is to make the web a better place. And it's a really fun process making money with this app. And here are a few reasons why I love it and why I think it's perfect for complete beginners. You don't need a certain skill to make money, and it's really simple. I'm going to explain to you everything in detail, so follow every step from this video, then you will have no problems making money with this app. And best of all, they pay through PayPal, and I just know how a lot of you guys are PayPal fans and you love receiving PayPal money, which is great because you can then spend that money on whatever you want. Now, they've been online for a while and a lot of people are using this app. I've done a lot of research. I've seen a lot of reviews on this app and people are just loving the amount of money they're making. Now, to get started with enrollapp.com, you will just come over to their official homepage either by using your smartphone, either by using your tablet, laptop, or computer. It works for all of those devices. So let me know in the comments which device you use, or right now what device you will be using to make money with this app. Leave a comment down below. Now, I want you to come over here where it says sign up with email. I want you to create a brand new account, enter your email address, and make sure to enter a valid email address. Once you do, you will need to create a password, confirm, and retype the same password. After that, you will need to read and agree to the terms outlined in Enroll's privacy policy and terms of service, and you can read those by clicking on one of these two links. You can click on one of those and you can read the privacy policy, terms of service, and you can agree by clicking on the boxes that are on the left-hand side, and after that, just hit enroll. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now, as soon as you hit enroll, you will be able to see they send you a confirmation email. Please follow the link in the email to activate your account. So you will need to open up your email and just click on confirm my account at this green button right here. Now just log into your account. After that, you will just need to tell them a little bit about yourself. You will need to enter your full name as well. Enter your first name and last name. And here, click I'm not a robot and just hit continue. Now, as you already see, it's a really fun process and it's a really fun design. It's a nice design and it feels comfortable using this website. Now here I'm going to show you a sample test and I will show you exactly what you will need to do with this website to make money. So I will click on accept. I accept your challenge. And it will start there with a simple and easy challenge. I will say let's do this. I will enter my PayPal address so they can pay me again, and I recommend you to do that as well. So just enter a PayPal email address where you want to get paid. Select the languages you speak if you speak English, and one more language. You can select more languages you speak because the more languages you speak, the more money you will be able to make because they will provide you with more tasks to complete and more missions. For me, I will just select English for now and hit on continue. They will ask you for your country code, and this is a new feature actually. Like a year ago, they were accepting only people from top tier countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, but now they accept people from all over the world, and that's why I like it, and that's why I highly recommend you jump on it as soon as possible. Then I will enter my phone number over here and click on continue. They will ask you about their country. So just enter that, and here's a cool thing which you will need to select. They will ask you, do you want us to always send your test as soon as they're available? And some people make a huge mistake. They're like, oh, I'm busy. I can't take those tests as soon as they're available. So they hit on no. But if you hit no, then you will have way fewer chances to make a lot of money. So it's a highly significant amount of money. If you tap the yes button right here, I highly recommend you click on the yes button so you will be able to make a lot more money with this website. Then just hit on continue, select your gender, your birth date, and select your level of education. Now, regardless of your level of education, even if you have only finished high school, I recommend you select either a college graduate or postgraduate because the higher level of education you tell them you have, the more tasks they will push for you, the more money you will be able to make. And trust me, it doesn't matter if you're an actual college graduate, and after that, just hit on continue. For the occupation, you can select anything that you want, and for the yearly income, even if it's like $0, even if your yearly income is just $0, I recommend you select as much as you can. They can be 6 figures or even more than that because the higher your yearly income is, or the higher you tell them your yearly income is, the more missions you will receive, and obviously the more money you will make. Now, I know that's kind of not fair, but trust me. Just continue and answer a few of your hobbies or interests. The more of them you answer, the more money you will be able to make. They're looking for people that are interested in a lot of stuff and then have a lot of stuff going on in their lives. So the more you enter, the better for you. Now, they will ask you to describe your computer proficiency. They will ask you how many hours per day you spend on the internet, and here, this is important. If you select less than an hour, you will probably get declined and you will probably get banned from this website because they're not looking for people that are not even using the internet. You must select either 4 to 5 hours or 6 or more hours. If you select 6 or more hours, that's going to be even better for you. And then they will ask you what devices can you test on if you have both mobile and desktop. I highly recommend you select both. If you even have a tablet, then great. Now you can make even more money. You can earn more with this website because now you can do the test on all of those 3 devices. After that, just hit finish registration in your dance suite. As you can see, you're approved. If you have been following all the previous steps that I showed you, you will get approved. If you skip some of those parts, then you might have been declined, and I'm sorry, but you should have followed all of the steps. Now, after we're done with creating an account, I will click on Take Me to my dashboard. So we can start completing those missions and so we can start making the money. Here are a few random questions that they will ask you from which you can make money. As you can see, have you ever heckled the comedian? I'll say yes, for example, and I will continue. The more questions I answer, the better for me. As you can see, the progress bar is going to change whenever I answer a question. And that's how simple it is. You can answer these questions by clicking on yes or no. And when there are new tests available, they will either send you an email notification or you can just open up the dashboard by logging into your brand new Enroll-App account. You will then be able to see new tasks available. You just stay on the task, which can take less than a minute, and you can get paid anywhere from like $4 to $5.06 or even $10 or $15. For a simple task, they will ask you questions, they will ask you to give a little bit of insight about the websites, about their offers and whatnot, but it's all free. And as you saw, less than 2 minutes to sign up and to start answering these questions. Once you have enough points, you can cash out to PayPal and get paid again and again. Now, obviously, this app will not make you rich. You might be able to make a couple of dollars here and there, but it's going to be life-changing income. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.